Amelia, a struggling writer yearning for inspiration, decided to rent a remote, decaying mansion hidden away in the heart of the forbidding Blackwood Forest. She had heard tales of the mansion's eerie history, but its isolation was just what she needed to conquer her writer's block. The mansion had belonged to the enigmatic Blackwood family, known for their dark secrets and whispers of ghostly apparitions. While exploring the mansion, Amelia discovered an intricately carved door almost invisible among the ornate wallpaper. She pushed it open to reveal a hidden room, its walls adorned with eerie paintings of the Blackwood family. In the center, a foreboding portrait of a young girl caught her eye. It was Isabella Blackwood, rumored to be the most malevolent of them all. Late one night, as Amelia sat in the dimly lit hidden room, she began to hear faint whispers in the shadows. The voices seemed to emanate from the very walls themselves. She strained to make out the words, but they were elusive, as if the room held secrets not meant to be heard. The whispers persisted, growing louder and more insistent with each passing day. Amelia's obsession with the hidden room deepened, and she couldn't tear herself away. She saw glimpses of Isabella Blackwood's life. Through the paintings, a life filled with unspeakable horrors. Amelia's sanity began to unravel. The whispers spoke of family, betrayals, forbidden rituals, and a sinister curse that bound the mansion to a malevolent force. She tried to leave, but the mansion's eerie pull was too strong. She became convinced that the only way to free herself from the shadows was to uncover the truth. As she delved deeper into the mansion's history, Amelia unearthed the journal belonging to Isabella Blackwood. The final entries revealed the ritual that had bound her to the mansion. In a desperate bid to break the curse, Amelia attempted to perform the ritual herself, not realizing the true horrors it entailed. The ritual summoned the malevolent force, and the mansion came alive with the tormented spirits of the Blackwood family. Amelia was plunged into a nightmarish realm where the boundaries between the living and the dead were blurred. Isabella Blackwood herself materialized, her malevolence consuming Amelia's very soul. The mansion remained forever shrouded in darkness, the echoes of Amelia's screams and the whispers of the Blackwood family eternally haunting the decaying walls. As for Amelia, she became one of the tortured souls forever, bound to the mansion's dark past, her own whispers now adding to the symphony of despair in the shadows. Whispers in the Shadows became a chilling legend in the small town near the Blackwood Forest, a cautionary tale for those who sought solace in places where the whispers of the past never truly died. Feel free to modify and expand upon this story as you see fit to. Create your own unique version of Whispers in the Shadows.